Google Search Console setup, how to submit your WordPress website for Google. First of all, I'm using the Yoast SEO plugin for this method. I already have. So once you install it, then you can see this kind of interface here. Just go to your Yoast SEO and open your website as well. Now copy your website URL and go Google Search Console, this website, and press on start now. Now I already have some website, so when you are new, then press add property, then you have to select this area, then press on continue. Now you can verify your website by downloading a file. You need to upload this file on your cPanel. I am using the HTML tag, this option. Press on copy to copy this file. Now go to my website and Yoast SEO. Now go to setting, then go to site connections. Now in this area, just paste your code, then press on save changes. Great, your setup are saved and successfully. Now go back to your search console, then press on verify. Now ownership verify it done. Press on done and go to your properties. Now your website is verified with Google Search Console. Now it's a time to submit Google Sitemap as well. Go back to your website dashboard and press on site features, Yoast SEO, and scroll down, then you can see the XML sitemap. Press on this XML sitemap. Now you can see all of your XML sitemap here. Now copy this URL. Now go to your search console and press on sitemap, then submit with this URL, then press on submit, and sitemap submitted successfully. Dismiss. Now you can see both are 0, but don't worry, within 30 or 1 hour it will be indexed by Google. So that's it. Now within 1 day or half day, your site will be visible on Google search. So don't forget to thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.